Yeah, it's a tough one. I mean, they're not always going to be great, right? This one's real tough.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys can see constant choppy chop, just like this. If you got in, let's say right out of the gate, if you got in here, but this is tough, right? This is trash because look at it coming, popping through a bunch of times, one candle, 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 like it can't make up its mind. So that's crap. Now, this one you never got in because there's no candle longer than the first candle. So you didn't worry about that one. And I bet you somebody made a mistake on that because that is not an entry. Here's your second entry. You made money on this one. Congratulations. It came back. You could have sold off wherever you were comfortable, and then you made money here. So out of the 1, 2, 3 trades, you made money on 2 and 3, and one was probably a bust. See, you're more concerned with this than anything else. What is this doing? What is this doing? What is this doing? And what is that doing? This is all garbage just watching VWAP. Yes. Now imagine if you lost on this one. Right now, partner, you're rich, right? Because you got in on one of these. And look at this. Even if you lost on this one and you made a little bit on this one's the payday. See it, everybody? Yeah, and we never cherry pick our trades, right? And that's the other thing you got to be careful with news too, right? Because it did all this and then it finally had a pop, but you probably got burned in here because you panicked off of this. So again, if this was your failure, you never entered this one. You can't. None of those are higher than the other. You got in here, you made money, winner. You got in here and now you're rich. That's it. Right. And there's no reason if you traded Netflix on the 2-minute EWO today, you're not successful unless you cherry picked your trade. That means you are only choosing to get into particular ones you want.
It
You're like,
means you're trying to pick the top and the bottom.
yeah, it means this. It means you went, oh, I'm going to get in this one. Oh, damn, I got burned. And then you're like, oh, you know what? I'm going to get in this one. Oh, damn, I got burned. You know what? I'm not doing this one because you didn't do every one of them that I tell you guys to do every day. You didn't make any money, did you? That is called cherry picking, and it's not allowed. I say it all day, every single day. You don't get to decide when it's going to make the move you want. You just have to be in the trade when it does make the move you want. Does that make sense? Right. And then you should have been in the other way because it told you to right here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
And now you're making a lot of money. And now you wouldn't even be asking me this question because you're like, Coach, I'm making so much money.